Hello, my name is Isabela Villanueva, and today I'm going to show you my criterion G of my internal project of ITGS, which is the screencast recording. Before starting, I'm going to tell you my IP code, which is 0021070037. And during the development of this product, I take into account one main objective, which was to listen to every requirement that my client gave me during my meetings with her. Also, in order to provide an IT solution, I took into consideration a list of advanced techniques in order to follow. And however, it was important for the requirements of my client to fit in with these techniques. And the techniques that I used during the whole development of this web page were the following. The first one is the navigation of the web page using frames and customized buttons. This is shown through the totality of the tabs of the page. And there are 5 tabs. The first one is home, the second is about, the third one is products, online ordering, and contact us. As you can see, there is a domain that is vigadetoxuses.com, and there is a logo which I created in company with the help of my client. This logo fitting with the requirements of color and shape in order for her to like this page. Also, the title of the company of my client is Villa Detox Juices because her last name is Villanueva. Well, regarding to the web page, it is important to take into account that all the media as shown was edited by me and my client, of course. As you can see during the first tab, which is the home, it is Juicify Powerful Life. This is the main phrase of the company. This portrays the desire and the objectives that my client had during the development of this company. Also, as you can see, there is access to the videos of the presentation of the products, as you can see here. And play video. Okay. As you can see, it is important to take into consideration that the fact that there is an access to the videos on the main page creates attraction of the person towards the company and the products. Also, there is a Contact Us tab, the information in which the client can contact my client, which includes the cell phone, the email, and the address, and also a very important connection with social media, in this case Instagram. As you can see, as I tap here, the link works and it redirects you to the Villa Detox Juices page on Instagram, which has daily new content. As you can see on all the tabs, these are pictures that were taken by me. This is an important part of the page because this is Meet the Creator, in which there is a picture of the client and a personal connection. Also, the purpose of this company. Also, in products, you can see the prices of each one of the products and a brief description. As you can see, it is categorized. Online ordering works. There are pictures of the products as well as the prices. You can order here, and also there is a Contact Us page. As you can see, there are manipulation of graphics through the use of this map. Also, there is a connection among the clients because there is a suggestion box, and there is a lot of things. There is a social media tab. Thank Thank you.